Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and MTED Software. So in a series of week gone by, we will see that means how Nifty was and what are the important level for coming time. So in this week, Nifty has performed quite well from a percentage perspective. It has improved more than 5%. It has taken out its weekly rations band. From past 4 weeks, prices were facing a rations at around 12,000 level. So Nifty has closed successfully above than that level. So these are all the positive development that we are seeing. So yes, it indicates that means this is in a positive momentum. The market is still into the bull's grip, we can say, but by the same time somewhere somewhat we have to be still cautious because we are still into the monthly rations band. And secondly, if we learn more from the history, as one saying goes on, more we know about the past, the better we are prepared for the future. So we are just trying to see that means when the major declines has happened into the past and how the things has reacted from actually the first point where the declining momentum is started. So for that purpose, we are using a very simplistic tool, that is what trend lines or horizontal lines in this case. So let's say this is what my previous top was all about. If I just draw the line from this, so I can connect that means prices has come to its previous top, and from that we have seen a kind of declining momentum. Again, this is what a major top that we have seen. The prices has came near about to this level, and from that we have seen a kind of reactions over there. From the third point or a third major top, if we see, the prices has again reached to this level, and from there we have seen a kind of the reactions. Now this is a fourth attempt where we have seen the major declining momentum, where in just a 3 months it has wiped out a gain of prior 3 years. So after the strong declining momentum, we have seen the strong response on the higher side, but again we are at a very close to its in a prior top level. So we have seen that means Nifty has somewhere somewhat reacted from its prior tops. So on this note, we have to be in a quite cautious over there. So if you look at a certain kind of short-term perspective, that means up to what level we are bullish, and if what levels taken out, then things are, we can say that means things are getting in the favor of bears. So let's say we are on the daily charts. On a daily chart, the prices has given a very strong momentum. So 12,000 was the level, which was what are a role reversal level, we can say. So from an immediate perspective, so 12,000 level is a role reversal level, earlier rations which has turned out to be support now. So as far as the 12,000 level is holding, we can say that things are still in the favor of the bulls. But once this levels is reacting or prices are coming down below the 12,000 level, so it will be the first sign that means somewhere somewhat the bears are gaining a grip. Secondly, the second development what will happen is that means the prices are into the monthly resistance band. We have penetrated almost more than 50% of that resistance band, and from that if we are seeing a reactions, so that means it is respecting the resistance levels. And once a 12,000 level on the shorter time frame it takens out, so it creates the, or it creates in a kind of the one series, that means respecting the resistance and disrespecting the support. So it unfolds a kind of negativity, but it is possible once only when the prices are moving below the 12,000 level. Otherwise, it is still a bull scam, we can say. 12,400 level, which is our prior top, if that level continues to move on the higher side, so we can consider it as a further positive breakout. So bull's territory in nutshells remains up to the 12,000 level. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.